There are cases that we lost our important as well as personal files and data from our iPhone after a factory reset. And this is a really worrying case, but luckily, these files are not deleted forever unless you replace it with some other data. So, in this video, we'll teach you how to recover data from iPhone after factory reset. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more contents just like this one. Can I recover my data after a factory reset? Yes, these files won't be permanently lost until you replace it with other files. Even if you restore it to your factory settings or it won't turn on and you did not do a proper backup, still, these files are recoverable. Recover deleted files from iCloud. iOS supports recovery of your data from your iCloud storage as well. So if you had backed up your data on iCloud, then you can recover them in the Apps and Data screen on your iPhone, just like you can see in this video. But if you don't have any backup, then the next tip is for you. Recover using iFindIt. Now to recover your formatted data, we'll be using iFindIt, which is one of the best data recovery tool for iPhone that you can use right now. So check the video description to download this amazing tool. Basically, iFindIt is an iOS data recovery tool designed to help iOS users recover lost and deleted files. With this tool, you will be able to recover all the deleted files directly from your iPhone, even without a backup. What's more, it covers a number of data types, whether you delete a note, a photo, a message, or all the files on your iPhone. Alright, after downloading and installing iFindIt, open the application. Next, click on Recover from iOS device. Then connect your iPhone to your computer and click on Next. Now select the type of data you want to recover. For me, I just want to recover my photos and videos, but you can choose all the file types if you want. And click on Scan. Now iFindIt will do its magic and after some time your files will be restored. Next, select the files that you want to recover and click on Recover to Computer. Then select the location where you want to paste in your recovered files and you're done. Well, in this way, you can recover data from your iPhone after a factory reset. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!